Hey guys, it's Jeff, and today we are talking about AirPods, not Beats products, but I will get to the Beats Pro release and exactly what those look like and sound like. But today we're talking about AirPods because AirPods are definitely a hot topic this month, obviously because we had the AirPods 2 being released and announced by Apple. And those were super exciting to see simply because we got Siri integration and we got a few more things that we wanted to see with AirPods 2. But I'm actually going to be talking about AirPods 3 simply because AirPods 2, we didn't get much of a redesign. So we'll kind of recap a little bit of what happened with AirPods 2. We got a new charging case, which provides wireless charging, but not really too much of a difference there as far as battery life and the charge capacity of the case. And then for the actual AirPod devices themselves, we got a few more updates. We got a chip which allows for better connectivity, which Apple touts will give you better sound. I'm not sure exactly how that is, but yes, it should give you better sound, better connectivity, and range and everything like that, but not too much on the design portion of things. So now we're talking about an AirPods 3 design that I could actually stand behind and would look really, really cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at this design. It's a mock-up that was provided to us by a fantastic mock-up artist. This design is actually based on the Apple Pencil device that was released with the iPad Pro lineup. So basically the Apple Pencil here is a very unique design. The previous Apple Pencil connected via the back here, and we don't have that connection any longer. We actually have magnetic connection via the flat back here on this side of the Pencil. So this design is actually taking that concept and putting it on Apple AirPods. So you can see here that with a possible charging case, you can actually charge everything magnetically, just like you would the iPad Pro and the Apple Pencil. But what's really important here is that you won't always have to have that case available to you to charge or to use your AirPods, which essentially would need a charge. Basically, like in this mock-up, you could have the possible like an Apple screen that has magnetic charging, maybe for other Apple devices as well. That would be really cool to have maybe a display that has a magnet that could provide wireless charging, to have that display charge your AirPods. So that would be really cool. I know a lot of you guys use your Apple AirPods with your computer, and having a little bit more connectivity with your computer, making it easier to connect with AirPods, and then also being able to charge via that computer would be really cool. So you don't always have to carry around that case. So I think that design with that magnetic back would look really, really cool. As far as like any other aesthetics with this design, everything looks to remain the same. What I would love to see is a matte black design, or maybe some different colors, maybe a product red design for Apple AirPods. I think that would look really cool, but just something a little bit different. Right now we're seeing the same white AirPods in the AirPods 2 and no real design changes, which I know for a lot of us, including myself, was just a little bit disappointing. Now, more about the AirPods 3 design and how that would work. I'd want to see a little bit more connectivity here, maybe Bluetooth, stronger Bluetooth connections, and then also because a lot of people were experiencing a lot of dropouts with Bluetooth in their back pocket to the AirPods with their phones. But I'd love to see some further connectivity with, as I said before, the Mac product. It's very hard to connect your AirPods to any Mac products, and I'd love to just see it work within the Apple TV, Mac, and just the whole Mac lineup to get just a really kind of all-in-one experience, and you can include AirPods in that experience. Now, one other thing that I want to see is better battery life and maybe an improvement on sound, but I'm not actually really disappointed with that in the current models that we have. It would just be nice to have in an updated model, let's say the AirPods 3. So with the AirPods 3, I'd love to get some better battery life here, and then also better sound quality, because obviously sound quality has not really changed between the Apple AirPods 1 and 2, but we are getting really good sound quality with the Beats products and their wireless. They're completely wireless headphones, which are almost essentially AirPods, just a little bit more of a sporty design. So I'd love to see just a lot better audio with these headphones. I'm not sure if that's even possible with such a small form factor here compared to the Beats products, but that's definitely something that you can ask for in the next integration of this product. So guys, take a look at this render, take a look at this product, kind of take my ideas and see exactly how you like them, and let me know in the comment section down below if this would be a product that you would like to invest in. I know a lot of you said, hey, I have the Apple AirPods 1, but the AirPods 2 really isn't that much of an investment that I want to make, given there's not much that has changed. So would you guys consider investing in the AirPods 3 with a possible design change, different colors, and maybe some different features that would really make it kind of like a new product here? So let me know those comments in the comment section down below. Also, a little bit off topic here, got a new logo. Let me know how you like it in the comment section down below. I'm loving it so far. I'd love to know your opinion as well. But guys, that was it for this video on Apple AirPods 3. Thank you all for watching and taking the time to hear my opinions here on what we should be seeing in the next AirPods release. If you want to check out any of our other content, make sure to get subscribed and also hit the bell button so you can get updates as soon as that content is released. But until then, I hope you all have an awesome day, and thank you again for watching our content here on YouTube.